What's up, guys? Furious Gamer here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Where today I'm going to be doing another mod showcase on the Lucky Bot Red mod. This mod just came out for Minecraft 0.13.0. So let's get started. So the way we're going to do this is it's going to be a line of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I'm gonna put a chest right there. Then I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put some green. I'm gonna put some green stained clay and some red stained clay and some yellow stained clay. You know, I don't need yellow. That might just keep it from in the box. So the way I'm gonna do this is every time I get a bad block, I'm gonna put red there, and every time I get a good block, I'm gonna put a green one on the other side. So let's get started. So I'm gonna click on my first red block and look at the block. It's really good looking block. So I got this is a magical diamond giving stick to give yourself diamonds. Let me tap it on the block. So I'm gonna give that a bad because it's a stick. That's not diamond giving. So let me open my next block. Got some lava. Stupid. Well, I can use this to burn if I get a bad block. So this is a good block. To me it is, because oh man. No. Oh man, I'm gonna die. I died. No. I must die for it. Yeah. I must go under deep. I need my food. Where's my food? Oh, I ain't gonna worry about the food. Get up. What did diamond giving stick anymore? So that's a bad block. So I'm just gonna do it with golden. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that was a bad block. So yeah, I'm gonna put that there. Really need some new food. I need a new pick and some new food. I'm gonna give myself some pumpkin pie. That there. Okay, so yes. Now lucky box. Now lucky box. Lucky box. Don't forget the lucky box. This is out of language, but I just call it lucky box. So let's open up our next block. Leather gear. I always get kind of as a bad block, so because that doesn't interest me that much. A diamond axe. Cut down some wood. Not cut that off our first good block. So going to place down our next block far away. Oh man, oh. Oh, a block of emerald. So I'm going to count that as another good block. Because emeralds are rare. And you can't really get them. I wish I had the lava. Hey, I can get some lumber. I want to burn it. Bad! So, let me get another block. Pop it open. Some boats. What should I count a boat? I like boats in Minecraft, so I'm gonna count that. A bit of diamonds. So I'm gonna open up the next block. Pufferfish seeds and hey, you can start a garden. I just start one. So we'll get the seeds. Garden time. Beetroots. Yeah, boy, you beetroots. I'm gonna check on this garden. Okay, so I'm gonna count that as a pet, even though I planted them. So I'm gonna open up my next block. Chain gear. Got better gear, so yeah, I'm gonna count that as good because you can't get chain gear in Minecraft, and there's no trading in Minecraft yet. So hopefully I'm gonna add that in 0.14, so you can trade it and hopefully get chain gear. So eat that. Give me my new block. Full set of diamond gear. Okay, I put the set on. Nice clean set. So good block because I could just diamonds. I like diamonds. But still, guess I can do this now. Bye. Open up my next block. And make sure to subscribe to join Team Theory and for Minecraft videos like this. And if y'all want me to do another Minecraft, just leave a comment down below. Make sure to drop a like on the video. So yeah, a rail on the ground is bad. And I just got from the steel rock. I got that too. Can I reach it? Can I reach it? Okay, yes, so I'm not looking good. So I'm gonna open up my next book. Spawn eggs. So I'm gonna open up my next block. See what I get. Villagers spiders. I'm gonna count the spiders. It's bad, but the villagers are good because villagers are not hostile, but cave spiders are hostile. Just so you see that. So yeah, I put that there. Yep. Ah! Okay, you can for that. So green isn't looking so good. Red needs 3 more. green just needs like 4 more, 4 or 5 more. Oh man, I'm putting that video. Chain gear. Oh man! What the heck was that? Oh man, that was epic. Bad blocks though, so all of it's gone. So I guess you just gotta open blocks to the video. I think the video should end. So we're gonna open like 5 more blocks. And whoa, look at that. I'm gonna open up like 5 more blocks and I will end the video. So let me put down 5. 1. That was 4. Block every 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh man. And that Hunger Games series. So I might do that video right after this video, and y'all gonna get this video either tomorrow or later tonight. Oh, I gotta call up that block. Let me open this block. Open block. I got a block of gold. That's pretty good. Oh! Oh, crap. Shoot! Oh, shoot. Put out the fire! I need water. Ah! Jeez. Ow! Oh man. Freaking. Oh man, these gas are everywhere. Ah! Peaceful. Alright, I'm gonna go with it. Oh man. So I guess I end the video here, guys, where it bugged out. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye.